Myself Kishore from E&A department, third year. Today we're going to see about origins of the universe. The universe is everything from the tiny particles to the largest galaxies to the very extension of the space, time and life. But how did it all begins? The origin of the universe is the origin of everything. Multiple scientific theories plus creation mythic from around the world have tried to explain its mysterious genesis. However, the most widely accepted explanation is the Big Bang theory. The Big Bang theory states that the universe began as a hot and definite dense point, only a few multimeters to a supersized black hole. About 13.7 billion years ago, this tiny singularity violet exploded, and it is the form this explosion, this bang. This all matter, energy, space, and time were created. What happened next were two major things were found called the radiation and matter eras. They are defined by key eras that helped shape the universe. First came the radiation era, named for the dominance of radiation right after the Big Bang. This era is made up of small stages that occurred within the universe for tens of thousands of years. The earliest is the Planck epoch. No matter existed in the universe at this time, only energy and the ancestors. To the four forces of nature, the super force. At the end of the stage, a key event occurred in which gravity split away from the super force. Next came the Grand Unification epoch, named for the three remaining unidentified forces of nature. This epoch ended when one of those called strong nuclear broke away. Then the inflationary epoch began, during which the universe rapidly expanded. Almost instantly it grew from size of an atom to the size of a grapefruit. The universe at the time was piping hot, at it soaked with electrons, quarks and other particles. Then came the electroweak epoch, when the last two forces, electromagnetic and weak, finally split off. During this stage, the Quaternary epoch, all the universe ingredients were present. However, the universe was still too hot and dense for subatomic particles to form. Then, in the Harmonic epoch, the universe cooled down enough for quarks to bind together and form particles from electrons. In the lepton and the radiation era, less two stages. The proton and neutron underwent a significant change. They fused and created nuclei. And in going so, they created the first chemical element in the universe, helium. The universe's new ability to form elements, the building blocks of matter, created the matter era. It is the feature, the vast majority of the universe's lifespan and includes the present day. In this stage, the universe temperature cooled down enough for electrons to attach to a nuclei for the first time. Called recombination, this process helped create the universe's second element, hydrogen. The hydrogen, along with helium atoms, dotted the universe with atomic clouds. Within the clouds, small pockets of gas may have had enough gravity to cause atoms to collect. These clusters of atoms from during the galactic epoch became the seedlings of galaxies. Nested inside those galaxies, stars began to form, and in doing so, they queued in and current stage of the universe developed, the stellar epoch. The formation of stars then caused a tremendous ripple effect and helped shape the universe as we know. Heat within the star caused the conversion of helium and hydrogen into almost all the remaining elements in the universe. In turn, those elements became the building blocks for planets, moons, life, and for everything. Everything we see today, this ecosystem of everything, was only possible because of the many stages in the universe development. While countless
Thank you.
questions about the origins of our universe remain, is only a matter of time for some long sought answers to emerge.